Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss a short discussion on respiratory system. Remember that we have 12 organ systems in our human body, but for now I am focusing on the respiratory system. What is respiratory system? It is made up of organs in our body that help us to breathe. What is the function of respiratory system? Its function is not only to provide oxygen for distribution to cells throughout our body, but also to excrete or remove the waste product carbon dioxide from the body to the external environment or the surroundings. Take note that respiratory system is lined with moist epithelial tissue from the nose and mouth all the way to the lungs. The air we inhale has impurities such as dirt and bacteria. As air enters the body, the dirt and bacteria are filtered by hair and mucus in the nose. The air from the external environment will enter to our body through the nose or mouth and proceed to the pharynx. From the pharynx, air passes through the larynx or also known as the voice box. From the larynx, air passes through the trachea or also known as the windpipe. The lower part of trachea splits into two tubes called bronchi. The singular form of bronchi is bronchus. Bronchi are air tubes that connect the trachea to the lungs. We have two lungs. Within each lung, bronchus repeatedly branches into finer and finer tubes called bronchioles. The singular form of bronchioles is bronchiole. Each bronchiole ends in grape-like clusters of tiny air sacs called alveoli. The singular form of alveoli is alveolus. Alveoli are the site where the gas exchange occurs. Our lungs contain millions of tiny air sacs or alveoli. The inner surface of each alveolus is lined with a layer of moist epithelial cells or tissue as I mentioned a while ago. The oxygen in the air we inhale dissolves in the film of moisture on epithelial cells. Oxygen then diffuses into a web of capillaries surrounding each alveolus and enters red blood cells binding to hemoglobin. Carbon dioxide diffuses the opposite way, from the capillaries across the epithelial cells and into the alveoli. Then, carbon dioxide is expelled back up the trachea, mouth or nose and into the external environment. The process of moving air into and out of the lungs is called breathing. On average, we breathe 15 times per minute. Take note that air tends to move from an area of higher pressure to an area of lower pressure. Diaphragm is a sheath muscle that forms the bottom wall of the chest cavity. When we do breathing, our rib muscles and diaphragm control our lung volume. What happens to our body when we inhale? When we inhale, our diaphragm and rib muscles contract or shorten, which expand our chest cavity. This action increases the volume of our lungs, resulting in reduced air pressure or lower pressure within the alveoli. So, air from the external environment rushes in through the nose or mouth and enters the alveoli. On the other hand, when we exhale, our diaphragm and rib muscles relax. This action decreases the volume of our lungs, resulting in higher air pressure within the alveoli. So air rushes from our lungs out through our nose and mouth. That ends our discussion. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share, and see you on our next video.